Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install Google TV 14 firmware on your TV. Let's get started. Let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Set all settings. Then go down. Set system. Go to about. Then select system update. Now it's checking for update. We can also manually check for update. Select check for update button. Now it's again checking. It says your system is up to date. If your TV manufacturer has released an Android TV 14 firmware upgrade, it will appear on the screen. From here, you can download and install the update. If you do not see any update listed, it means the manufacturer has not yet released the firmware upgrade for your TV model. Hence, you have to wait. So here it's not showing anything, because in this TV I already upgraded to Android TV 14 firmware. Let me show you that. Let me go back. Under about, go down. Here you can see Android TV OS version 14, and this is the security patch level October 1 2025. So here I already upgraded to Google TV 14 or Android TV OS version 14. So let me double click here. Here you can see the version Android TV 14. Okay, so this way we can download and install Google TV 14 firmware on your TV if that is available. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.